Welcome to Business 5. In this video, I'll show you how to earn PayPal money from just watching YouTube videos, which is a new strategy to make money online this 2021. How to do it? We're about to find out. Here is earn money from watching YouTube videos. As well, if you find value on this video, consider subscribing with notifications turned on. It's free and you can change your mind at any time. You'll be the first to know about any new strategy for making money online. Therefore, make the most money. Joy! Step number 1. Go to youtube.com. You can find a variety of videos on the website, so please click one of these videos. Step 2 is to watch at least 30 seconds of the video as soon as you've gone into the video like this. The third step is to earn money. They are all proofs of actual payments from people all over the world. Here's a look to how much money you can make from this. You can earn $3 by watching just one YouTube video. Watching 10 YouTube videos will earn you $30. When you watch 50 videos per day, you can earn up to $150. What's even better is that you can keep on repeating this until you make money. It's 100% legal and it's completely free. YouTube is available around the world. Whether you are in the US or abroad, you can watch it. All you need right now is a mobile phone or a computer. Here are some examples and some videos for you to view. At the end of this video, you'll find a little surprise gift which is an exclusive tip by simply watching YouTube videos. You can earn 5 times more money, so be sure to stay until the end and watch the entire video. So let's get started. Click on sign in on the top right of the screen first, then click on create an account. This will take you to this page. It is necessary to create a YouTube account if you do not already have one by clicking on this button, create account, and choosing the name. Then, you can sign up for a free YouTube account on Google. When you're logged into your YouTube account, on the left side, you will notice that you can view the best of YouTube. On YouTube, you'll see the most popular videos categorized as music, sports, documentaries, games, movies, news, etc. You're going to see a secret strategy that nobody tells you about right now. So please click on the gaming option from there and you'll be taken to this page. On YouTube, millions of people watch these videos in the gaming section. There's no way for them to know how they can make so much money, so I'll tell them how to do it. This is exactly how all these guys are making a lot of money on YouTube. $5, $10, every time they watch a video. As a first bonus tip, I want you to pay attention to this category. Video. PUBG Mobile is one of the trendiest games right now. Once you click on PUBG Mobile, you'll be taken to this particular page where you can find a lot of videos about the game. And one of these live streams is currently underway. All you need to do next is click on one of these videos. There is a live stream here. If I click on this one here, you can see that there are a lot of people watching this video. There are a lot of opportunities and demands on this type of video right on YouTube. Make sure you keep watching and I'll show you how to make a lot of money from this kind of YouTube video. You'll be able to repeat this for a number of different videos in this category. The videos on YouTube do not actually become money for us unless we go after onto the second website, which is 7r6.com. You can shorten URL links on this website and turn them into money. I'll make it easy for you. In reality, it's a lot easier than you think. Nobody else is talking about this strategy right now. If you watch this video all the way to the end, you could make a lot of money. Using 7R6 is really simple. You need to create an account for free on the website. Then you have to shorten the URL links of multiple YouTube videos. In just a moment, I'll show you exactly how to do it. And you can make money from every video you make. I'll now demonstrate one specific example. As you watch these YouTube videos, you can find the share button under here. Click on the share button and you'll see the YouTube URL link of this particular gaming video. And from there, I want you to click on copy. Simply copy the URL link from this YouTube video. Then return to 7r6.com and paste the link. Here, you can see that I have just put the YouTube video link into this box and click on this button. With this website, my YouTube URL link will be automatically converted and shortened into a brand new and unique URL. As you can see here, whenever anyone clicks on this link, you earn money. They all do this every single day, and that's how they can make a lot of money from this website. You can cash out your earnings into your PayPal account, web money account, perfect money, payer, and etc. once you've earned them. There are so many payment options to choose from. So, the first thing I want you to do is go back to the home page and I want you to click on the sign up button. From there, you'll be directed to this page when you create a new account. And once again, this is 100% free and available worldwide. After entering your username, email, creating your password, and agreeing to the terms of use and privacy policy, click on the register button. Here's what you'll see when you log into your brand new account after signing up. You'll need to click the new shorten link button on the top of this page. By clicking on that, we can copy and paste your YouTube URL link so that we can shorten them and earn money. Let's just go back to YouTube and click on the video. Click the share button and copy the URL link. Go back to our dashboard and paste the link right here in the box. PUBG Mobile should be typed in under alias, and then I want you to click on the shorten button. And here's the shorten link. Third, I want you to go back to YouTube and repeat the same process for up to different videos. You're going to make money if you shorten the URLs for numerous YouTube videos. The next bonus tip I want to share with you is that I want you to concentrate on this particular category because you'll be making a lot of money. Live streams should be your primary focus. Now let's watch this video. They will take me to another live streaming video. Continuing with the same strategy, click on the share button, copy the link, then go to the 7R6 dashboard and paste the second URL link. After that, you'll just click on the shorten button and put PUBG Mobile 2 as the alias. Another successful shortened link. Follow the same strategy I taught you. Just copy and shorten the link to different YouTube videos with the help of 7r6.com. Let's move on to the final step by going to the steamcommunity.com to go onto it. Before anything else, are you a gamer? Or what are your favorite games? Comment and let me know. We have a website or platform that allows users to talk about different strategies to use when playing games. Right now, so many different discussions are underway in the PUBG Mobile game. This game is being talked about a lot, as you can see here. Currently, this game is trending. This is getting millions and millions of videos every day. So this is going to grow with the help of 7r6.com. You can leverage this trend to make a lot of money from all these YouTube videos. Now what you can do is sign up for a free account on Steam Community. Post a topic related to PUBG Mobile or another trending game and share through that post your shortened link of PUBG Mobile. As a result, you'll receive lots of clicks from lots of people. Upon viewing your link, they will click on it and watch the video. For every single click, you make money, and just one video could result in making hundreds of dollars. I have a bonus tip for those of you who are still watching. This tip will help you to earn triple the income you would otherwise earn. There are gonna be a lot of things on this website that I haven't shared with anyone else. The secret that I will reveal is a site called mood.us. This is essentially a special forum where you can find people who talk about this game. Various photos and videos are being posted by people. The videos about PUBG Mobile gameplay are now receiving hundreds of thousands of views. I'd like to share with you this opportunity to make more money with this video, especially if you focus on this category. If you copy the link of this type of video, which is live streaming video, you can make hundreds and thousands of clicks and make a lot of money. I'd like to share right now a special bonus that I promised you. I'm sharing with you a free copy and paste template so you can easily create a lot of money. Simply copy this template and post it to the Steam community or the Mood Thought as forum as well. You're going to see a lot of clicks on your certain link. After that, there will be a lot of money to be made. Here's just one example when we'll get a lot of clicks. I also designed this template this way. Hey guys, check out this excellent gameplay video. It is incredible. You can watch this video here. Here's where you're going to put your shortened link. Just open your 7R6 dashboard, copy the shortened link right here, then follow this procedure. Copy the link and paste it into our template. It's easy to post this entire template on this website. Just copy and paste it in. There's not much work involved with this particular gaming video since they're picking up a lot of trends and they're super popular right now. Especially if you find a good video on YouTube which is getting a lot of views. Therefore, your shortened links also get a lot of clicks. Many people make money watching videos every time they watch them. And that's exactly how they do it. So there you have it. Now, if you wanna make even more money, click on the first link down below to learn how to make PayPal money just by watching YouTube videos, which is a new way to earn $200 per hour than anyone can do even without prior experience. There's a video there that explains exactly how to do it, so check it out. Thank you for watching. Subscribe with notification on and like if you want to stay up to date with new content. I look forward to seeing you in some of the next videos.